Hello friends, my name is Mani and I'm here at TU Darmstadt. We would be visiting the university soon of TU Darmstadt, but I would like to share the list of the colleges, the list of the courses which have been taught in English at TU Darmstadt. In this video, you're going to see the courses, their intakes and their deadlines, and I think those courses are very informative. The other video of mine would be about the HS Darmstadt, which is the other university, and it has a very interesting course related to filmmaking, and we would be sharing the details of that university soon. And if you have any question related to Germany, related to Europe, we would be very happy to help you out. It could be any course, masters in Sanskrit, masters in filmmaking, masters in fashion designing. It could be any course. We have solutions for all the courses. Thank you so much for watching this video.